Now we're going to do the third practice problem. 3x cubed plus 11x squared minus 14x minus 40. I don't need any placeholders, and I'm dividing by x plus 4. Because of the type that this is, I'll be able to use the remainder theorem to check my work to make sure that I've gotten the right answer. It won't do anything other than make sure that I have the correct remainder, and if I don't, then I'll know to go back and check my work. I don't need any placeholders, so I go on to the second step, which is to focus on the first. 3x cubed divided by x is 3x squared. Take that 3x squared and multiply it by everything here, and I get 3x cubed plus 12x squared. I go to subtract, and since I'm subtracting, I'm going to change my signs to the opposite. And now I can simply add. I get negative 1x squared, carry down the minus 14x. And now focus on the first. What is negative 1x squared divided by x? That's negative 1x. You could just write minus x. I'm just putting that 1 in there just because I think for some people it gets confusing when I don't put the 1 in there. But you do not have to put the 1 there. Now I'm going to take that negative 1x and multiply it by everything here. I get negative 1x squared minus 4x. I'm subtracting all of this, therefore I'm going to change the signs so that I can simply add. And I get negative 10x minus 40. Focus on the first. Negative 10x divided by x is negative 10. I get negative 10x minus 40. When I subtract, I add the opposite, and I get 0. Now if I want to make sure I didn't make a mistake, I can let x equal negative 4 in the original, and make sure that I get 0 as my remainder. 3 times negative 4 cubed plus 11 times negative 4 squared minus 14 times negative 4 minus 40. That's using the remainder theorem where I let x equal the c is, which would be negative 4, and I put it into the original. Use my calculator. So I have 3 times negative 4 to the third plus 11 times negative 4 squared minus 14 times negative 4 minus 40. If I did it correctly, I should get 0. And I did. I got 0. So now I can have confidence that my work is correct.